Okay, this is Ethiopia's case. I'm going to present you about ship market value chain. It is not the value chain on which actually Ethiopia worked on or intervened, but actually Ethiopia studied the value chain or analyzed the value chain to understand and to develop further interventions. Because currently people are more relying on smallholders because the price of cattle is becoming out of the reach of smallholder farmers. Even the ship's price is nowadays it is higher, so people are more relying or depending on the ships. The area is also very suitable for ships. People individually produce ships, but they are not getting the price they deserve to get. That's why we initiated this study and came up with some sort of findings. As you can see from the market channels, the ships go to the end users through different channels. Some are shorter, some are longer. The shorter channels are from producers to local consumers during the festivals, during the religious festivals, and the producers get good price out of their products. Otherwise, there are so many traders, village collectors, there are market day traders, there are traders coming from the bigger towns, there are so many traders being involved in this market. The farmers do not go away from the markets or the marketplace that are located in their village. They are selling their produce individually within their village level marketplaces. When we see the prices here and at the end, the ships end up at hotels and town butcheries. They are also exported to other foreign countries, but the prices are here very low. Here it is more than 5 times of the initial price. Oh. So while we analyzed this value chain, we found that farmers have no information about these markets. They don't know about these markets. During the market days, the town, the bigger traders set the price and give a call for the village level traders and just fix the price. Farmers have no choice other than selling their ship with that price. One of the challenge or the weakness of this ship market is farmers are totally out of the information, market information, the market system. They don't know about who are the end users of the ship, who are the next buyers of the market level buyers. That's the major challenge. We also try to analyze these traders, even the village level traders. All of them are male. Surprisingly, there are people who buy and sell the ships only on the marketplaces in the village. They are villagers, all of them are male. There are traders coming from the smaller towns, all of them are male. There are traders coming from the bigger towns, all of them are male. And the ownership and the control of the ship selling, the money obtained from the ship is also more controlled by men. In the household here, men are head of the households. The study indicates that there is multipurpose cooperative within these areas. The multipurpose cooperatives are more focused on providing inputs like fertilizer, improved seeds, and so on. They didn't notice or give attention to this ship. So the plan is to engage these cooperatives and unions to create linkage with bigger or higher level traders, or at least to aggregate the ship within one place and to have negotiating power. We are designing that strategy. That's what I have to share with you.
1
Okay.
minute.
So the challenges are, as I said, mainly the farmers are not organized. They are not putting their products together, they ship together. The other thing is they are totally departed from the market system. They have no power to influence the value chain system. They are accepting that everything is coming. They are benefiting in a few times of a year, only in certain occasions like festivals times are coming. Otherwise they are not using. So there is huge potential to help them, these farmers, to use out of the products, because there is already there is a huge market potential. We already studied the chains, and we already analyzed which channels are most profitable for the producers. There is already the farmers cooperative focusing on other products. The only thing is to strengthen them to take to the export butcheries and the live animal export firms, and just to create linkage and to empower these farmers. Thank you.
Thank you very much.